Some moments you just never forget, no matter how old you are. As you drive and the miles grow, don't forget the important moments your Subaru has too. To help your Subaru reach a ripe old age, you need to have its systems inspected and maintained at scheduled maintenance intervals. That will keep it in good running condition for years to come. Just stop by and ask us when it's recommended. You can also refer to the maintenance booklet that's in your glove box, or look for maintenance reminders on your My Subaru account. Routine maintenance includes things like oil changes, tire rotations, filter replacements, and brake inspections. Routine checkups can keep your Subaru running smoothly and help prevent costly repairs down the road, so you can keep collecting meaningful moments, and your Subaru can keep rolling right along with them. We're here to help. Make it last.